Dear students, have a good day. Very warm greetings to all. Last class we had learnt about digestive system in rabbit. In today's class we learn about dentition. Okay, take your science book. Look at the page number 194. Dentition in rabbit. Dentition, which means arrangement of teeth. Hard bone-like structures teeth are in rabbit. Okay, that's used to cut, tear and grind the food materials. Rabbit has two sets of teeth. The existence, which means state of having two sets of teeth in the whole life of animals, is called diphyodont dentition. Di, which mean two. Okay. So the two types of teeth are milk teeth and permanent teeth. மில்க் டீத்னா முதல்ல சின்ன பிள்ளையாக இருக்கும்போது வளர்றது. ஓகே, அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த பற்கள் விழுந்து மறுபடியும் வளரும் பார்த்திங்களா, அதுதான் பெர்மனன்ட் டீத்து. ஓகே, இன் ரேபிட் தேர் ஆர் different types. Okay, the dentition of rabbit is called heterodont. Okay, four kinds of teeth in mammals via incisors, canis, premolars and molars. In rabbit there are different types of teeth. Okay, so the dentition of rabbit is called heterodont. Four kinds of teeth in mammals. Mammals, which means feeder. Okay, or via namely incisors. I, canis C, premolar PM, molar M. This four teeth can also by expressing in formula, Tyndall formula. Tyndall formula is the simple method. Four kinds of teeth in mammals. Mammals, which mean feeder. Viz, which mean namely incisors. I. See, incisors. Canis. C. Premolar. PM. முன் கடவாய்ப்பற்கள். molar. M. பின் கடவாய்ப்பற்கள். Okay. So, Tyndall formula is a simple method. Tyndall formula is a simple method for what? To represent teeth of mammals. Okay, teeth of mammals. The number of each kind of tooth is counted for one side only. Okay, in two side jaws, upper jaws and lower jaws. See, this is a 2-mark book pack question. Tyndall formula, very very important. Incisors 2/1, canis 0/0, premolar 3/2 and molar 3/3. So written as 2033/1023. This is a very important repeated question. Okay, next, canis are absent. This is important 1-mark question, public question. Okay, next, what is diastema? The gap which means space between the incisor teeth and premolar teeth is called diastema. Next topic is that helps to mastication, which means மெல்றது. chewing, நமுழுதல், is herbivorous animals. தாவரங்களை உண்டு வாழ்கிற விலங்குகளுக்கு தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், டயஸ்டமான்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, next topic is respiratory system. Respiration of teeth. Respiratory system, respiration of rabbit takes place by pair of lungs. Lungs are right spongy tissue, மெலிசான பஞ்சு போன்ற திசுக்கள். Okay, enclosed or covered in thoracic cavity. Chest cavity, which means thoracic cavity. So, thoracic cavity is bound, closed by vertebral column, முதுகெலும்பு. Okay, in dorsal side, back side. In ventral side, front side. Bounded by sternum. Sternum is a bone located in middle of chest. So, that divides the ribs. Ribs, which means vila எலும்புகள். Listen my dears. Vertebral column, which means முதுகெலும்பு, backbone present. Okay. Tarsal side, which means back side. Ventral side, which means front side. And then divides ribs. Ribs, which means vila எலும்புகள். Okay. What is sternum? Sternum is a bone located in middle of chest. Okay. Each lungs is closed by double membrane called pleura. In ventral side, front side, bounded by sternum. What is sternum? Sternum is a bone located in middle of chest, so that divides the ribs. Okay, on the lower side of the thoracic cavity is the dome-shaped diaphragm. Okay, this is a diaphragm. Each lungs is closed by double membrane called pleura. Atmosphere air is passed through external which means outer nostril. Okay, later that pass to nasal. Okay, so nasal passes that air to pharynx. From pharynx the air passes through glottis. From glottis is passed to windpipe. See the picture, my dears. Atmosphere air is passed through the outer nostril, which means external nostril. Later that passed to nasal. Okay, so nasal passes that air to pharynx. From pharynx the air passes to glottis. From glottis is passed to windpipe. Can you understand, my dears? Yes. The anterior or front part of windpipe is enlarged because it is formed of larynx or voice box. Can you understand, my dears? The anterior or front part of windpipe is enlarged because it is formed of larynx or voice box. நம்ம பேசுறோம் இல்லையா அது. So, its walls are supported by 4 cartilaginous plates. Okay, 4 cartilaginous plates. Inside larynx, the vocal cord and vibration results are leads to production of sound. So, the larynx leads to trachea or windpipe. The larynx leads to trachea or windpipe. Yes, my dear, inside larynx, the vocal cord and vibration result are leads to ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஆஃப் சவுண்டு. நம்ம பேசும் பொழுது ஒரு வைப்ரேஷனோட சவுண்ட் வெளியில் வருது இல்லையா அது. ஸோ இந்த லாரிக்ஸ் லெட்ஸ் டு ட்ரக்கியா ஆர் வின் பைப்பு. This is a book pack important 2 mark question. 6th Roman first one. Tracheal walls were supported by rings of cartilages. Film tissue for flexibility. This is important book pack 2 mark question. Cartilages. Cartilages, which means film tissues for flexibility. The epiglottids will help in entry of food into trachea through glottids. Trachea divides into 2 branches. One entering into each lungs is called bronchi, and that bronchi dividing into further branches called bronchioles. Bronchioles will end in alveoli. Trachea divides into two branches, already said to you. One entering into each lung is called bronchi, and that bronchi dividing into further branches called bronchioles. That bronchioles will end in alveoli. It is very, very important. Okay. As usual, respiratory events involves inspiration and expiration, that is exchange of gases, O2 and CO2. Dear, somebody didn't know that O2 which means oxygen, CO2 which means carbon dioxide. Okay, are you clear? Yes. So the respiratory events involves inspiration and expiration, that is the exchange of gases. Inspiration is an active process. Expiration is a passive process. Slow process. Okay, passive process, slow process in rabbit. Okay. Next topic is circulatory system, like leeches. Okay, do you remember leeches? Hirudinaria granulosa. Yes. Circulatory system like leeches. Rabbit circulatory system is also formed by blood vessels and heart. The heart is pear shaped, like vagina in female reproductive system of leech. Okay, once recall ma, like vagina in female reproductive system of leech. Okay, so circulatory system is always in thoracic cavity. Okay, yes, it is enclosed by pericardium, a double layered membrane or sheath. Pericardium, which means a double layer membrane or sheath. This is very, very important. 1 mark ma. The heart is four-chambered and have 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. Right and left auricle are separated by interauricular septum. Interauricular septum. There, right and left auricles are separated by interauricular septum. Likewise, right and left ventricles are also being separated by interauricular septum. Can you understand, my dears? Yes. The right auricle opens to right ventricle by right auriculoventricular. Auriculoventricular. Syllabify and read ma. This is the important word. Okay. Aperture, which means structure. Girded which means girded, protected by tricuspid valve. Valve, which means culi. Valve. Okay. Then left auricle opens to left ventricle by left auriculoventricular aperture, guided by a bicuspid valve. Dear, tricuspid, which means movidal valve. Bicuspid, which means eridal valve. Okay, this is very, very important. 1 mark question. Bicuspid valve is also called mitral valve. Mitral. Okay, yes. The opening of pulmonary artery and aorta. Pulmonary artery, which means நுரையீரல் தமனி, aorta பெருநாடி, are guarded, protected by 3 semilunar valves. 3 semilunar valves. Opening of pulmonary artery and aorta are guarded by 3 semilunar valves. Right auricle receives deoxygenated blood through 2 precaval and 1 postcaval veins. Okay, from all parts of the body. Can you understand, my dears? Right auricle receives deoxygenated, which means not oxygen. Okay, not oxygenated blood through 2 way. Okay, 2 precaval and 1 postcaval veins. Veins, which means narambugal, from all parts of body. But left auricle receives oxygenated blood from pulmonary veins, from lungs. Okay, you understand? Yes. Right auricle raises pulmonary trunk that carry deoxygenated blood to lungs. See, my dear, right ventricle arises, which means, already I said to you, arises which means opens, trunk which means arises which means opens, pulmonary trunk which means tubules that carry deoxygenated blood to lungs. Left ventricle arises systematic arc, aorta which means perinody. This will supply oxygenated blood to all parts of body. Next topic is nervous system. Nervous system in rabbit is formed of three nervous system: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, autonomic nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system consists of 12 pairs of cranial nerves, மூளை நரம்புகள், 37 pairs of spinal nerves, முதுகெலும்பு நரம்புகள். Okay. Then autonomous nervous system comprises or contains sympathetic nerve is the part of nervous system that increase heart rate, blood pressure, breathing rate. Sympathetic nerve is the part of nervous system that increase heart rate, blood pressure and breathing rate. Parasympathetic nerve is the part of nervous system that's responsible for body's rest and digestion. It slows the heart rate. Okay. Write a definition. Surely I will ask in teachment. What is that? Parasympathetic nerve and sympathetic nerve. Okay. Brain is situated in cranial cavity. Cranial cavity which means mandiculi and covered by three membranes called outer dura mater, inner pia mater and middle arachnoid membrane. See, my dear, a brain is situated in cranial cavity. எங்க அமைஞ்சிருக்கு? Cranial cavity and it's covered by three membranes. What are they? Outer dura mater, inner pia mater and middle arachnoid membrane. Brain is divided into forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. As usual, already we learnt. Okay. Forebrain, prosencephalon, midbrain mesencephalon and hindbrain rhobencephalon. முன்மூளை, நடுமூளை, பின்மூளை. Forebrain consists of pair of olfactory lobes. See, look at the figure 3.10. The right and left cerebral hemisphere are connected by transverse or oblique band of nerve tissue that is called corpus callosum. Okay. See, my dear, the right and left cerebral hemisphere are connected by transverse or oblique band of nervous tissue that is called corpus callosum. Midbrain have optic lobes. It is a structure behind eye. The right and left cerebral hemisphere are connected by transverse oblique band of nerve tissue that is called corpus callosum. Midbrain have optic lobes. Is a structure behind eye. Midbrain have optic lobes. Optic lobes which mean it's a structure behind eye. Okay. So the hindbrain consists of cerebellum, pons, varoli and medulla oblongata. The hindbrain consists of, what are they? Cerebellum, pons, varoli and medulla oblongata. You will study about the details of mammalian brain in the chapter of nervous system. It is very, very important. Unit 15. Okay. Next topic is urinogenital system. It has urinary or excretory system. Genital, which means pirapurupu, or reproductive system. Excretory system. Each kidney is made up of several nephron, functional unit of kidney. It separates nitrogenous waste from blood and excretes in the form of urea. Excretes are sent out from the body like urea or uric acid. Dear children, see the diagram. This is hindbrain structure. Okay, pinmulai. Hindbrain consists of cerebellum, pons, varole and medulla oblongata. Okay, they are connected into spinal cord. Kidney are dark red bean-shaped organ in abdominal cavity. We learnt in lower classes itself. Okay. Yes, my dear. Kidney in which color? Dark red. What are the shape? Bean-shaped organ. From where they are located? In abdominal cavity. Okay. So each kidney have ureter which open posteriorly, backwardly in urinary bladder urine bag-like structure. Okay. And let's send to thick-walled urethra muscular duct which means tube. Urinary bladder urine bag like structure, bag pipe போன்ற வடிவம். And let's send to thick walled urethra, a muscular duct. Already said to you, duct which means tube. Next topic is reproductive system. Sexual dimorphism. Dimorphism means conditions are property of being exhibited in rabbits. Okay, male and female sexes are different and morphologically which means structurally different. Okay, my dears. Yes, see the book page number 196. Male reproductive system. This is an important book pack, 7-mark question. Listen carefully. In rabbit, there is a pair of testes, ovoid or oval in shape. Testes are covered by scrotal sac. பை போன்ற அமைப்பு. So each testes have many tubules called seminiferous tubules. This network of tubules sends to coil tubule, epididymis leads to sperm, male reproductive organ. Duct called vas deferens. Vas deferens. Duct called epididymis which leads into sperm duct called vas deferens. Vas deferens join with a urethra below the urinary bladder. Okay, so urethra runs backwardly and goes to penis. Listen my dear, see the picture. In rabbit there is a pair of testes, ovoid or oval in shape. In rabbit there is a pair of testes. See the pictures my dear. Pair of testes, ovoid or oval in shape. So testes are covered by scrotal sac. Each testes have many tubules called seminiferous tubules. Okay ma? Each testes have many tubules called seminiferous tubules. This network of tubules send to coiled tubule epididymis. Okay, so let's to sperm, male reproductive organ duct called vas deferens. Okay, so the vas deferens joins with urethra below the urinary bladder. Okay, so the urethra runs backward and goes to penis. Accessory glands means glands secrete fluids that enter urethra. Accessory glands means glands secrete fluids that enter urethra. 3 accessory glands are namely prostate gland, Cowper's gland and perineal gland. Their secretions are involved in reproduction. Their fluid secretion leads to reproduction. New birth rabbit. Okay. Next topic is female reproductive system. Like male, female system also have pair of ovaries, that is small and oval structure. See my dear, female reproductive system like male, already said to you. The female system also have pair of ovaries, that is small and oval structure. Okay, they located behind or beside kidneys, behind or besides kidney. A pair of ovitae opens to cavity, cavity which means kuli. Okay, by funnel shaped opening. Funnel, I think you saw that kerosene எடுப்பாங்க இல்லையா அந்த ஃபனல் புனல் போன்ற அமைப்பு. ஸோ ஃபனல் ஷேப்டு ஓப்பனிங் டு த ஈச் சைட் ஆஃப் ஓவரி. ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த ஆன்டீரியர் அப்பர் பார்ட் இஸ் fallopian tube that leads to wider which mean அகலமான tube called uterus. So the uterus joined and formed as single tube called vagina. The urinary bladder and vagina uniquely form common tube, that is urinogenital canal or vestibule. Okay, the common tube is formed by union of urinary bladder and the vagina and is called the urinogenital canal or vestibule. Okay, yes, that runs backward and opens to slit or narrow aperture which means structure called vulva. A pair of Cowper's gland and perineal gland or accessory gland, fluid or waterly secreting gland present in reproductive system of female. See my dear, fluid or watery secreting gland present in reproductive system of female. See the diagram. Dear children, see the page number 197. Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system also like a male system, already said to you. The pair of ovaries, that is small and oval structure, okay, are located behind or beside kidneys. A pair of ovitex opens to cavity by funnel shaped opening to the each side of ovary. Okay, so the anterior upper part is fallopian tube that leads to wider tube called uterus, Garpapai. Okay, the uterus joined and formed a single tube called vagina. Uterus joined and formed a single tube called vagina. The urinary bladder and vagina uniquely form common tube, that is urinogenital canal or vestibule. Runs backwards and opens to slit or narrow apertures called vulva. Okay, so the pair of Cowper's gland and perineal gland are accessory glands. The fluid are watery secreting gland. The present in reproductive system of only in female. Can you understand, my dears? Yes. Dears, I'll tell more definitions and meanings. Okay, so all you must want to watch the video fully and be ready for your teachment class. I'll ask questions inside the video only. Okay, so be ready or else I will remove your from your teachment app. Okay, thank you my dears.
ஏமா இப்போ நம்ம இந்த வீடியோ